So I started looking for a video of how to rosin the bow. Not that I don't know, but I wanted to show you guys how to rosin the bow, and I wanted you guys to see somebody else rosin it. But I didn't find any videos that I liked to show you. So here we go. This is my way of rosining the bow. Rosin, bow. You want to hold the rosin just so you have a little bit of fingers coming up around it. So if the bow leaves the rosin, it doesn't go out like that. So you want to put your fingers like this. Some of the rosins are going to come with little wooden walls on the side of them, so it doesn't slide all over the place. Anyways, after a while you won't need to keep your fingers like this. So the way I like to do it is to start with small strokes up and down, small up and down, then a couple really long ones. That should be good. If you do that every time you play, you won't need more than that. Rosin goes a long way for the most part, especially if you have good rosin. There's dark rosin, and then there's that blonde rosin. It's like a golden color. Good stuff, but you know, normally the more you spend, the better rosin you're going to get. Anyways, just a little bit goes a long way. Don't put too much rosin. If there's a lot of dust on there, or there's a lot of dust when you start playing and a lot of that powder starts coming out, then you probably have too much on there. If you play and you feel like it's not spinning the string, then you probably need more rosin. So play, see how it feels, and you should know. In the beginning it's hard to tell, but you'll get used to it.